In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to import legal video and sync it with the transcript in TranscriptPad. First, open the transcript. Tap the link and sync button above the transcript. Tap Import and link video or audio files. Choose the video or audio files to import, and then tap Open. Ensure the video files are in the correct order. You can use a helpful naming convention to quickly identify the correct order. Alternatively, you can preview the video. Drag to reorder if needed. Then tap Start Sync. While your sync is processing, you can navigate to a different transcript and continue your review. The sync progress indicator allows you to monitor the progress of the sync even if you are in a different transcript. Once the synchronized transcript process is finished, you will see a synchronization complete message. Tap OK when the sync is finished. The video is now synced to the transcript.